Welcome to another moment on the Malcolm Stories channel, and welcome to part 3 of my Easy Makeup for Beginners series sponsored by Mented Cosmetics. Mented Cosmetics is a Black, female-owned company that I have been partnered with as a Mented mentor, and now it's time for the eyes. It usually will take me about 45 minutes. Now, I don't always have 45 minutes, I'm sure that you don't either, so I'm gonna try to achieve the easiest smoky eye that I can do. I'm actually gonna start with one of Mented's latest launches. These are their Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. They sent me all 4 shades. I have the shade Deja Brew here. Look how deep and chocolatey that is. I literally just want it all over my face. Malcolm. These sticks actually make it super easy to do a lot of different things. I could use this as a lip liner as well. Yeah, we'll be circling back on that actually. Ooh, did I take it out too far? Yeah, bring it down, Godzilla, bring it down.
Bring it down, Godzilla!
Any type of dark chocolate brown is always gonna be a good base for an easy smoky eye. Yeah, it's like a crayon. You can literally just draw directly on the eye. Oh my God, this is everything. First, I'm just gonna blend out the brown. Gives us a good base, and then guess what? You can use that to start coming down, contouring the nose a little bit. You can bring this down and just swoop it. Oh, it looks so velvety and smooth. It literally looks like a glass of chocolate milk is resting on my eyelids. Now we want to get into the crease and start blending that out even more. I'm gonna go with the Mented Cosmetics Every Night palette. This eyeshadow palette, it's great for fall, it's great for winter, it's great if you need a smoky eye. This is one of my favorite palettes of all time, easily. So I'm gonna go to the shade Harlem. Shout out to Harlem. It's just a good neutral brown. Harlem is gonna be our neutralizer. Shout out to Denzel Washington. Or no, that's the equalizer. I'm blending around the edges of the first brown that I put down. This is just gonna make everything look smoother, go over that contour. I'm gonna go with another type of brown. It's more of like a reddish brown. Atlanta, I'm going to Atlanta in a little bit. Shout out to the ATL and Sierra. And I'm gonna go in the same area of the crease. Warm it up. Use Atlanta over Harlem. Ooh, yes. Then what I would do is go back to Harlem and Atlanta with a small, tighter kind of brush and get the bottom. I think that you should have something on the lower lash line. Last step is going to the shimmers. Grab a tiny, tiny little flat brush. Dip into your shimmer of choice. I'm gonna go with Miami. Just the other day I was at Miami. This is like a beautiful champagne gold, and hit your inner corners. This will bring the eyes to life and rise you out of the ashes like a phoenix. This is the Mented Cosmetics Long Live the Lash Mascara. It will literally make you feel like royalty is your birthright. Every time I wear this mascara, I get so many compliments and people actually think that I have false lashes on. I've literally spent my own money to replenish this mascara. It definitely helps with length. I wouldn't say volume as much as length. Get some mascara on those bottom lashes, even if it's just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna do a quick lip because I really do want to use Deja Brew. Stop. Deja Brew is the one. I'm gonna add some of Mented's lip gloss in the shade Coalition. This is a great peachy nude lip gloss. Just to finish off, I want to put some highlight on the brow bone. We got a little nose contour going without really even trying, to be honest. I'm done. I don't need to touch my face anymore. We've completed the eyes for part 3, and that concludes my 3-part Easy Makeup for Beginners series that's sponsored by Mented Cosmetics. When I am getting dolled up with my friends, I really enjoy the process, so I enjoy sharing the process with you just as much. Let me know which part was your favorite, which part resonated with you the most. I can't wait to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to use my code MALCOLMS on mentedcosmetics.com to get 15%, not 50, 15, 1-5. Use my code at checkout if you want to get a percentage off, and it does support me as a creator as well. Subscribe to my channel to become a part of the moment, and subscribe to Mented Cosmetics. It's a lot going on.